The benefits of having a battery factory in the UK for Jaguar Land Rover's future plans to launch electric versions of its models from 2024 onwards. Jaguar Land Rover, JLR, is one of the leading car makers in the UK, producing iconic brands such as Jaguar and Land Rover. The company has announced its ambitious plans to make every single model available as a full battery electric vehicle, BEV, by the end of the decade. This means that JLR will need a reliable and sustainable supply of batteries for its electric cars. That's why JLR's parent company, Tata Group, is considering building a battery cell factory in the UK to supply JLR with high-quality and low-cost batteries. According to insider information, Tata is currently in talks with the UK government to secure a support package that would make the investment viable. Tata has reportedly shortlisted 2 potential sites for the battery plant: the Teeswork site in Redcar, Yorkshire, and the Gravity Business Park in Bridgewater, Somerset. Having a battery factory in the UK would bring many benefits for JLR and its customers. First of all, it would reduce the dependence on imported batteries from other countries, especially China, which currently dominates the global battery market. This would lower the risk of supply disruptions, price fluctuations, and trade barriers that could affect JLR's competitiveness and profitability. Secondly, it would create thousands of new jobs and boost the local economy in the regions where the battery plant would be located. The battery plant would also attract other suppliers and manufacturers to set up their operations nearby, creating a vibrant ecosystem of innovation and collaboration. Thirdly, it would support JLR's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. By producing batteries locally, JLR would reduce its carbon footprint and emissions from transporting batteries over long distances. The battery plant would also use renewable energy sources and recycled materials to minimize its environmental impact. Finally, it would enhance JLR's reputation as a leader in electrification and innovation. By having its own battery plant, JLR would have more control over the quality, performance, and design of its batteries. This would enable JLR to tailor its batteries to suit its specific models and customer needs. It would also give JLR an edge over its rivals who rely on third-party suppliers for their batteries. In conclusion, having a battery factory in the UK would be a strategic move for JLR as it prepares to launch electric versions of its models from 2024 onwards. It would secure JLR's supply chain, create economic opportunities, reduce environmental impact, and strengthen JLR's brand image. However, the decision is not yet final, as Tata is still negotiating with the UK government over financial incentives. A final decision is expected by the end of June.